How to save and export images. Basically, there are two ways of saving images in Gimp. The first way is to save it as an XCF file. This goes via File and then Save or Save As. XCF is the file type that Gimp works with. There are virtually no other programs that can open this file type. A big advantage of an XCF file is that it saves all information of the image, such as the quality, and it stores also all the separate layers. When we open our file for the next session, we can continue working where we stopped in the previous session. The only thing an XCF file does not save are the undo actions of the previous session. And we cannot open an XCF file with other programs as an actual image. When we go to File and click Save or Save As, we can, in the next window, choose where and under what name we want to save our work. The second way is taking the file out of Gimp as an actual image. This we can do by going to File and Export or Export As. If we have already saved this particular image, we get the option to overwrite the source file. However, when we overwrite the image, we've lost all the information of the source file. When we go to Export or to Export As, there will open a window in which we can choose where and under what name we want to save our image. Down here, we can also choose a different extension, like JPeg, PNG, tiff, PDF, etc. When we click on a certain extension, the extension of our image automatically changes. When we already know what extension we want to use, we can also just type in the extension. When we save or export an image, we usually see another window popping up. Here we can, if we're knowledgeable, apply advanced options. The default values, however, are usually sufficient to give an excellent result. The option Save a Copy can come in handy when we are working on a complex project and, for safety reasons, want to make an interim copy. The source file, as well as the current state of the image, stay unaffected. This copy is an XCF file. To close up, a little advice: although Gimp is quite a robust program, it still might be a good idea to make copies of your images before you start editing. So if anything does go wrong, you still have your original files. Anyway, I hope this short tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.